Hi to everyone, hope you are good and safe. A couple of weeks ago, I have published on LinkedIn a post to bring up a problem I believe is totally underrated. Online, it's possible to download and install tools for poisoning data. If in the past, when we were not in the condition to avoid the robots to just collect the data we wanna they share, we block all the sites. Now it's possible trick them with fake data or poisoned data. A serious risk because if just now the concept of garbage in, garbage out is out of control, it become totally impossible for small group able to properly clean up the data set to have quality data. What I did, if you remember, on Palo, a study called the poison boomerang, because this problem is critical. A Act is not covering at all this case. If you see in the Article 10, option or exception of data source itself poisoned is not covered. For that is tolerated. It's not just something happening rarely, but it's a serious risk and problem. Recent study. Anyway, I kindly suggest you check deeper the study. There is evidence, detection, governance, power integration. Where I wanna go, thanks to Tom's hardware, you can see an article where we covered the tool. Welcome to Venom Pro. It's not available so far for public testing. I will just drop to those asking me private. Here you can access, I will share to the website with the specification of the tool. The review on Tom's hardware covers the version 1. I have in the meantime worked around a lot of changes and reach the build 3. If we launch the Venom app, you can access to this tool where you can add the address to be verified. Here you have some box with information for transparency and explainability. How it works, if you just write an address like paloframework.org, the tool starts the analysis and is using exactly the logic I have defined here for the detection strategies. At the end, it provides you a score. And this score is exactly the evaluation of the site. Now, if you realize this one to make as process, of course, it's not scalable. You cannot test one by one all the sites. But my idea is to release API or other strategies for make this tool a support of those are making queries on websites. From a governance and ethical perspective, it's totally unacceptable we can have poisoning tools online. Let me know your opinion and catch you soon.